Good morning. Previous video we have seen arithmetic operator and assignment operator, and today we will see JavaScript's comparison operator. So we have many comparison operators. We will do the program and we will see how to use those operators. So we will start doing program. First we have to write HTML. As we all know that JavaScript, we have to use script tag. Here starts our logic that has to be written. We will take input from keyboard. Variable A is equal to prompt. Enter a value. Variable B is equal to prompt enter B value. Will directly, instead of using the third variable, we'll write directly the formula inside our document. Now here we need to parse, because we have to tell the compiler that whatever I am entering is an integer value. So for that I am using parseInt. So B is equal to parseInt B. We'll use alert also. In the previous video we have used alert. When we use alert, we'll get a box in the browser. With few decorations we will do. A greater than B is equal to plus A greater than B, which is one of the comparison operator. Similarly, we will use document.write also, so that I can display just copy paste the same thing what we have written in alert. we'll see what happens if you write this much of code. So then what I am doing, I am closing my script tag, then closing my HTML tag, as no need of body tag here. We'll just save the program, then double quotes, comparison operator dots HTML COMP has been as a file name. Save, and I'll use the browser. c:/www.compop.html. So I got a pop-up that is asking for me to enter a value. I'll enter 4, then I'll just click OK. It is asking for B value. I'll enter 2 and press OK. What I got is 4 is greater than 2. Which is equal to true. And when I press OK, this is the thing which we get by writing document.write. So 4 greater than 2 is equal to 2. So this is what we got. Now we will continue with the remaining operators of comparison. So here we will start our coding. Just simply copy paste, and then we'll change Control C, Control V. Here let A less than B. And here we'll just change it. Here also A less than B. A less than B. Then another A greater than equal will use. Greater than equal. Greater than equal. One more will use less than equal to will use. Less than equal. Then another one, alert. A double equal to B. one more comparison operator. Triple equal. Save the program. Let's see what are all the remaining operators left. Not equal we have to use, and not double equal, and question mark. Control V. Here we use not equal, A not equal B. Not equal, not equal B. Then we have seen another new operator which we haven't find anywhere in the previous programming languages, not double equal. Not double equal. Not double equal. And then last operator, question mark. Question mark B. Actually, in the previous programming languages, we use A question mark B followed by colon. A question mark B followed by colon A colon B. No, this is not like this. It is maybe A greater than B question mark A colon B. Let's see what happens. Just save the program. Now we'll try to do it is asking for values. I entered 4. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll enter 2. OK. So 4 greater than 2, I got true. OK. 4 less than 2, I got false. 4 greater than equal to true 2, I got true. Four less than equal to 2, I got false. 4 double equal to 2, I got false. 4 triple equal to 2, I got false. 4 not equal to 2, I got true. 4 not double equal to 2, I got true. And 4 question mark 2, I got 4. So here the question mark means it's a ternary operator. What actually it will do is, if the first where what we have written in the ternary operator is, we have written here a greater than b question mark a colon b. What is the meaning of this is, if a is greater than b, if a is greater than b, if it is true, it will print a value. If it is false, it will print b value. So ternary operator, always we use question mark followed by colon. So here a greater than b, in the example a greater than b means we have taken a value as 4, b value as 2. So 4 is greater than 2, true. So true means this, if it is true, a is selected and a is printed. If it is false, b is printed. It means b value is printed. So in our case, what happened? I have used a greater than b, so 4 is greater than 2, it is true. True means 4 is printed, so I got 4. Now if I click OK, whatever statements I have written in document.write, I got. Here I haven't used any break tag, that's why the output is not understandable. So we'll just change and just apply our break tag everywhere. Let's just copy and then paste. for last, no need. We'll just save the program. We'll once again re-execute. Now here what we'll do, we'll change values. We'll give 10, enter, 20, enter. So 10 greater than 20 is false, less than 20 is true, greater than equal to 20 false, 10 less than equal to 20 true, 10 double equal to 20 false, 10 triple equal to 20 false, 10 not equal to 20 is true, 10 not double equal to 20 true, and 10 greater than 20 false. So we got 20 for ternary operator. And watch this. This is what we got, and this is all about our comparison operators. Now next operator what we do is we'll take this logical operator and we'll write the program and or not. Okay, so we'll use our editor notepad. HTML, script, here also we'll take values from keyboard, prompt, enter a value, variable b is equal to prompt, enter b value, then this we need to parse. We have to tell the compiler that what I am entering is a decimal value or an integer value. Percent, you have to be careful here. I value, I is in capital letters. Parsing is done. Then we will use alert, a, and b. Is equal to a and b. Plus break tag so that the next line will be new. We will use document.write also. Actually, there is no need of break tag in alert statement. Save the work in between, because if any power issues, we want to lose our program. So this is logical. We'll write logi.html. Then we'll just copy paste. We'll make it fast. Control C, Control V. Here R symbol. This R symbol is available in the keyboard above your enter button. We call it as pipe symbol also. And what is the third one? Is not. Here we are using not of B. You can't use A not B, right? So not of B. Then we'll just close our script. And if you want to open body also, you can open body and you can write H1 logical operators. Closing heading tag, then close body and close HTML. Save your work. Now run the program. We have to go to the browser, go to our location, g.html, click enter, and I am entering as I am taking input from keyboard. It is asking enter a value. So I will enter 4. Okay, enter B value. I am entering 2. Okay, 4 and 2, I got 2. For R2 I got 4. Not of 2 I got false. This is logical operations. This is what we got the output. Now how we got this 4 and 2 is equal to 2? 4 or 2 is equal to 4. I will show you. So you have taken 4 first value. 4 we have to write in binary. Binary value of 4 is 0 0 1 0 0. You take 4 digits 0 1 0 0. So how we got this 0 1 0 0? This is 2 power 0. We'll write it in paint. It will be simple. Here 4 means 0 1 0 0. How we got this? Means this is 2 power 0, this is 2 power 1, this is 2 power 2, and this is 2 power 3. So 2 square means 4. So I have to write it there 1, and remaining all places I have to keep it as 0. Now I have taken next I have taken 2. 2 is written as 0 0 1 0. Why it is written? Because it is, this is 2 power 0, this is 2 power 1, this is 2 square, this is 2 cube, and 2 power 1 means 2. So at that place you have to keep 1. So I have kept. Then what I have to do? I have to write for and 2 I have to write. Here this is logical and simply we can say that it is multiplication. So when this is multiplication, 0 0 is what? 0 into 0 will get 0. 0 and 1 will get 0. 1 into 0, 0. And 0 into 0 will get 0. So 4 and 2 will get as 0. Whereas if you take 4 or 2, means this 0 plus 0 will get 0, and for this 0 plus 1 will get 1, and then 1 plus 0 will get 1, and 0 plus 0 will get 0, and this is 4 plus 2, so we will get answer as 8. This is what and logical and logical OR. But we got different results here. 4 and 2 we have to get 0, but we got 2. So we will see what happens if we give 0 0, sorry 0 1 0 0, 0 0 1 0. So it is taking it as integer. So it is accepting like integer, so that's why we are getting wrong results. So actually the input should be decimal value. So how to give that decimal value? We'll take the help. Make it try. Here also we are getting the same thing, 4 and 2 is equal to 2. We have tried in operator. We'll see what is the actual explanation that is been given for this particular AND operation in JavaScript. Logical and in JavaScript. Yeah, if you see that directly giving a decimal value is giving different results. Actually what we have to do is we have to take the values differently. In this particular program, if you observe, HTML body heading tag and p tag, it is giving a description about the AND operator returns true if both expressions are true, otherwise it returns false. That's what we know. If both expressions are true means true into true is true, that is 1 into 1 is 1, right? And PID is equal to demo, script tag is opened, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 3, document.getElement by id demo dot inner HTML, x less than 10 and y greater than 1. Is x less than 10? Yes, it is true. And y greater than 1? Yes, true. So true and true, what we got is true. What when we run this, we got true. And x less than 10 and y less than 1 is a true and false. So true and false means we got false. Now for our example, we will just make a try what we will get. So what we have to give is, here we have to change our logic to write a greater than b and a greater than b. Here also a greater than b and a greater than b. Here a greater than b or b less than a. Then not of b means you have to write b greater than a. We will just save the program. We will compile it. You are not getting means something error is there. This is correct. Open close and open close, but this is okay. A greater than b or b less than a correct. With this alert statements we have not done, so we'll just make it to comments. We'll just save the program, we'll run it. We got enter a value, now we'll enter 4, then b value 2. See, 4 and 2 true, 4 or 2 true, not of 2 is means here what we have taken is the representation is different, so we have taken 4 and 2, right? So 4 and 2 means 4 greater than 2 is a true, and again 4 greater than true and true is we got true, so we got true here. Similarly 4 greater than 2 it's true, and 2 is less than 4 true, so both true, we got true, here we got true. And then not 2 is greater than 4, 2 is not greater than 4, it's false, so not of false is true, we got true. So that is what about our comparison operator, and remaining operator we will see in the next video. Thank you.